Adobe's new AI-powered trickster, Adobe Firefly, has touched down in the Photoshop. It's like having a genie in your editing lamp. But remember, folks, no wishes for naughty stuff. With OpenAI's DALL-E and Midjourney breaking the internet, Adobe couldn't just sit in the audience munching popcorn. So they jumped onto the stage, unveiling their own tech marvel, Adobe Firefly. But hey, this Firefly comes with a moral compass. Adobe has issued a Hogwarts-style list of forbidden magic. And right up there in flashing neon light is your no X-rated content. Adobe Firefly can grant your Photoshop wishes and morphing your images on command. Simply type your wish into a text prompt and bam, your edits are as sharp as Hattori Hanzo's sword. But remember, this genie keeps things family friendly. If you found this information intriguing, make sure to share with someone you know who's a Photoshop enthusiast. They might just find these cutting-edge AI tools an invaluable addition to their creative arsenal.